Look at that greasy thing. Real peanut butter, though. Wow. Lance ToastChee. I can't think of a better way to spend 200 calories than on these cheesy peanut buttery snacks. Now, I didn't even realize these go back over 100 years. There's, in fact, a whole story about it right here. The story goes Philip Lance turned 500 pounds of excess peanuts into a successful business in Charlotte, North Carolina that has changed the history of snacking forever. I agree. Look at that greasy thing. Real peanut butter, though. Wow. Today, over 100 years later, we're still making history and we still make our own peanut butter. Wow. Let's go check this out. This is their peanut butter right here. There we go. A little wet. Maybe not the coolest thing. They're still pretty delicious. Let's try it out. Not bad for 1 inch of ingredients in here, right here. I don't even know everything that's in here. I'm sure it's crazy. 220 calories, 11 grams of fat, 25 carbohydrates. Total sugars only includes 5 and 3 of them are added. I'm actually surprised these have 5 grams of protein, although most of the peanut butter ends up on the wrapper. Now, I know I'm joking, but my son loves these. So, not a healthy snack, but if you want something fun or you want something easy for your kids or yourself, check out Lance ToastChee.